Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of voltage protection switches, those unsung heroes that keep our precious gadgets safe from the unpredictable whims of electrical currents. Just imagine, you're at home, your favorite device is plugged in, charging away, when suddenly, zap, a power surge threatens to fry its delicate circuits. But fear not, because a voltage protection switch is on the job, ready to spring into action and save the day. These ingenious devices are like the vigilant guardians of the electrical world, constantly monitoring the flow of power and ensuring that only the right amount reaches your valuable electronics. So buckle up and get ready for a shockingly informative ride as we explore the inner workings of these amazing protectors. Let's begin our journey by meeting the voltage sensing unit, the ever-vigilant eye of our voltage protection switch. This crucial component is responsible for continuously monitoring the incoming electrical voltage, ensuring it stays within a safe and acceptable range for your devices. Think of it like a diligent security guard, meticulously checking the ID of every single volt that tries to enter your electrical system. It uses specialized sensors to measure the voltage level with incredible precision, instantly detecting any suspicious activity, like a sudden surge or dip in power. Now you might be wondering, what happens when the voltage sensing unit detects something fishy? Well, that's when our next key player comes into action, the control unit. Now that we've met the vigilant voltage sensing unit, let's move on to the brains of the operation, the control unit. This clever component takes the information gathered by the voltage sensing unit and makes lightning-fast decisions about whether to allow the electrical current to flow through to your devices or not. Imagine the control unit as a skilled conductor, orchestrating the intricate dance of electrons with precision and care. It receives the voltage readings from the sensing unit and compares them to preset safety limits. If the voltage is within the acceptable range, the control unit gives the green light, allowing the electricity to flow freely. However, if the voltage surges too high or dips too low, the control unit immediately recognizes the danger and takes decisive action to protect your precious electronics. Hold on tight, because we're about to meet the control relay, the swift defender that acts on the control unit's commands to protect your devices from electrical harm. You see, the control relay is like a heavy-duty switch, capable of interrupting the flow of electricity in a fraction of a second. When the control unit detects a voltage problem, it sends a signal to the control relay, instructing it to either disconnect or connect the circuit. If there's a dangerous power surge, the relay swiftly disconnects the circuit, cutting off the flow of electricity like a martial arts master. This rapid response prevents the excess voltage from reaching your devices, effectively shielding them from potential damage. And once the danger has passed and the voltage returns to a safe level, the control relay reconnects the circuit, allowing your devices to power up again. While the voltage sensing unit, control unit, and control relay form the heart of a voltage protection switch, there are other unsung heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your devices safe. These additional components provide an extra layer of protection, ensuring your gadgets are shielded from a wider range of electrical threats. One of these unsung heroes is the trusty fuse. Like a watchful bodyguard, the fuse sacrifices itself to protect your devices from dangerous short circuits. When a short circuit occurs, a sudden surge of electricity threatens to overwhelm your electronics, but the fuse bravely steps in, burning out and breaking the circuit to prevent any harm to your valuable devices. And then we have the unsung heroes of the electrical circuit board, with its intricate pathways and components that regulate the flow of electricity. These circuits are designed to prevent overloads, ensuring that your devices receive the right amount of power and no more. So there you have it, explorers. We've journeyed into the amazing world of voltage protection switches, those silent guardians that protect our electronic companions from the perils of unpredictable electrical currents. From the watchful eye of the voltage sensing unit to the swift action of the control relay, These incredible devices work tirelessly to keep our gadgets safe from harm. Remember, folks, just like we protect ourselves from the elements, it's crucial to protect our electronic friends from the dangers of the electrical world. So the next time you plug in your favorite device, take a moment to appreciate the magic of voltage protection switches, diligently working behind the scenes to keep our digital lives running smoothly. Stay curious, stay safe, and until next time, keep those sparks of knowledge flying.